Hello everyone, this is us. It's me Mahfuja, and with me I have Lynn, Nichols, Igor, and Sean. Today we are going to talk about business ethics. Let's see what happened next. To be more specific, what is the ethical situation on garments factory now? Well, we pick a country which is called Bangladesh because Bangladesh is one of the second largest exporter of garments in the world. On April 24th, 2013, there is a huge incident happened in the garments factory. A commercial building named Rana Plaza in Dhaka, Bangladesh has been collapsed. The building was 80 stories high, including 5 residential apartment, garments, factories, banks, and multiple shops. In these incidents, at least 1,132 people were killed and more than 2,500 people were injured, according to the national news. Which was the biggest tragedy happened in the garments factory of Bangladesh. Now, Sean will explain the whole details of this incident, where, how, and why. Keep watching.
Let's start with what happened that day. So, the previous day, April 23rd, 2013, garment workers were evacuated from the Rana Plaza when cracks appeared in the building walls. When workers came to work the next day and expressed concern about the cracks on the walls, pillars, and floors, they were threatened to lose their jobs and pay if they refused to work. Early in the day on April 24th, the power in the building cut off, the cracks widened, and the concrete fell onto the workers. It took less than 90 seconds for the 8-story building to collapse and kill and injure thousands of people. This is what an expert said about the incident. The cause was poor engineering of the building and the administrative failures. Parts of the building were constructed without proper permits from the city. Floors 5 through 8 were added onto the building without supporting walls. Foundation was on weak and built on swampland. The heavy garment factory equipment weighed more than the structure could handle, and the factory's interest of filling orders came before the safety of those doing the work. This is the real truth. The building was originally designed to have only 5 stories, not 8. However, 3 were added without authorization. Therefore, adding more floors to a building caused more stress to the floors below, which exceeded the original limit. They used low standard rebar to make this building. However, the owner of the building claimed the building was structurally sound after an engineer inspection. Here are some facts about rebar. The price of rebar in Bangladesh is expensive. Per ton, the cost ranges from $850 to $2,500. The price can vary depending on the grade, bar thickness, and whether you're using primary steel rebar or secondary rebar. In Bangladesh, some dishonest companies use low-grade rebar in their construction work. In the Rana Plaza incident, it occurred because they used low-grade rebar and unauthorized illegal construction. So how does this resonate with ethical issues? The emphasis was on speed. Garment workers were forced to make a large number of clothing for Western brands in exchange for very low wages for clothing that will be sold at low costs. Employees generally labor in dangerous structures with inadequate ventilation, inhaling poisonous compounds, fiber dust, or blasting sand. On textile manufacturing facilities, accidents, fires, injuries, and disease are all too often.
Here is me Mahfuja again. So now the summary of the story is, the Rana Plaza accident sparked a global discussion about the dangerous working conditions that garment workers face. And the Rana Plaza incident considered the deadliest non-deliberate structural failure accident in modern human history and the deadliest garments factory disaster in history. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching us. Keep watching this channel so that you can get a lots of